Imagine a Greek island where time slows down, where the sound of church bells replaces traffic, and where turquoise waters sparkle without a crowd in sight. This is Halki, a hidden paradise just an hour away from Rhodes, and yet many travelers have never even heard of it. Unlike its busy neighbors, Halki is about peace, simplicity, and authenticity. As soon as you arrive in the harbor town of Nimborio, you're greeted by pastel-colored neoclassical houses reflected on the water like a painting. The air feels different here, lighter, calmer, almost as if the island itself is reminding you to breathe. Halki has a history as rich as its charm. Once known for sponge diving, today it thrives on tourism but in a subtle, sustainable way. No big resorts, no noisy nightlife, just family-run guest houses, quiet cafes, and a rhythm of life that feels untouched by time. It's the kind of place where you come to disconnect and rediscover what travel really means. The beaches are nothing short of magical. Pondemo's beach, with its golden sand and shallow waters, is perfect for a slow swim. For more solitude, Finagia Beach offers crystal clear waters and rocky coves ideal for snorkeling. And if you're up for adventure, you can hike to hidden bays where you'll likely be the only one there, surrounded only by nature. Food on Halki is an experience in itself. Tavernas serve freshly caught seafood, homemade pies, and sweet treats like baklava drizzled with local honey. Dining here feels personal, you're not just a customer, you're a guest. Meals stretch into conversations, and every bite tastes like tradition. What makes Halki unforgettable is its tranquility. You won't find endless activities or flashy entertainment. Instead, you'll find long walks by the harbor, evenings under the stars, and mornings where the only plan is to enjoy the present moment. In a world that moves too fast, Halki is a gentle reminder to slow down. Reaching Halki is easy. A short ferry from Rhodes makes it perfect for a day trip or, better yet, a few days of pure escape. It's small enough to explore entirely on foot, yet big enough to offer moments of wonder at every turn. So, is Halki Island the quiet paradise you've been searching for? Some might say it's Greece's best kept secret, and once you visit, you'll understand why. The question is, are you ready to trade the crowds for calm, and let Halki show you what true Greek island magic feels like?